In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to change private and protected prefixes in WordPress. If you have a lot of private or protected posts, then you've probably noticed that WordPress puts either private or protected in front of the title. If you want, you can change this prefix very easily to make your site more customized. In your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on the Theme Editor. On the right-hand side, click on Theme Functions under Theme Files. Go to the bottom of the code. Make sure you have a recent backup of your website, just in case anything goes wrong. That way you can always restore the backup. Now paste this piece of code here. This is for the protected posts prefix. I'll put it in the description below. Now, one thing to note, whenever you add a custom code on the parent theme, when the theme gets updated, your custom code will be removed. So it's better to use a child theme and add the custom codes to the child theme instead of the parent theme. This way you can retain the customization you make even when the theme gets updated. Then click on Update File. You can see in the code, this will change the protected prefix to members only. Once the file is updated, let's go to the website. I'm just going to reload the page. And as you can see, the prefix was changed. Now let's change the prefix of the private posts. To do that, just add this code in your theme files. Then click on Update File. Once the file is updated, let's go back to the website. I'll just reload the page again. And the private post prefix is also changed. This is how you can change the private and protected prefix in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like the video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.